Join me as I dive into the latest market insights and challenge myself to boost my portfolio using proven strategies for 2024. Understanding market insights for 2024 is crucial for boosting your investment portfolios. The current market landscape is filled with opportunities, but it's also fraught with risks. By grasping the key trends and strategies, you can make informed decisions that'll help you navigate the market effectively. One of the biggest challenges investors face in a fluctuating market is fear of loss. It's natural to feel anxious when your hard-earned money is at stake, but letting fear dictate your investment decisions can lead to impulsive mistakes. Many investors also struggle with misinformation, whether it's believing false narratives or relying on outdated data. This lack of clarity can lead to poor investment choices, which can have long-term consequences. By being aware of these common challenges, you can take steps to mitigate their impact on your investment journey. One key strategy is to stay informed but not emotional, focusing on data-driven insights rather than emotional reactions to market fluctuations. Diversification is another proven strategy that has been successful in previous years. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, you can minimize risk and maximize returns. Risk management techniques such as stop-loss orders and hedging can also help you navigate volatile markets. For 2024, one of the most effective strategies is to focus on sustainable investing. As environmental, social, and governance considerations continue to gain importance, sustainable investing is becoming increasingly relevant. By investing in companies that prioritize ESG, you can not only generate returns, but also contribute to a more sustainable future. Another key strategy for 2024 is to prioritize active management. With market conditions changing rapidly, active management can help you stay ahead of the curve by making adjustments to your portfolio as needed. Finally, it's essential to stay flexible and adapt to changing market conditions. By being open to new investment opportunities and willing to adjust your strategy as needed, you can stay ahead of the curve and achieve your investment goals. In summary, understanding market insights is crucial for boosting your portfolio in 2024. By being aware of common challenges, diversifying your portfolio, and adopting proven strategies such as dollar-cost averaging and risk management, you can navigate the market effectively. Remember to stay flexible and adapt to changing market conditions, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. What are some strategies you're using to boost your portfolio in 2024? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more in-depth market analysis, be sure to check out my previous videos.